trying to steal your food. Get May. Why?
One piece of kibble.
Why are you gonna be this way?
Success.
Hit it, Fergie.
All the time I turn around, brothers gather around, always looking at me up and down, looking at me.
Me want my dad. Tell me what to do. Wee. Me want my dad. Wee. I'm designed to.
I don't care.
I've people before.
It does not matter.
Shut the hell up, bitch. Go kill yourself.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem? You looking at?
So I couldn't find Leo. I looked all around the cabin. And then I looked in here. I hate you. Leo, shut up. You're so stupid. Oh, hi, honey. My towel was hanging from this bar here. Leo decided to pull it down and made a bed. Why? Baby Kitty wouldn't stop whining, so I gave him a frozen mini corn dog that had fallen out of the pack and was in the bottom of the freezer. And he is happy as can be. Leo. Hi.
No.
Leo! Get back here. Leo! He ran around the side of the house. Leo, he's back in the front. Leo! He's under the deck now.
Leo.
Kona.
Fucking stupid fucking cat.
Kona, go inside.
Kona. Oh. Done with pets.
I walk in the bathroom, you know, all's normal. What are you doing? Did you make a home? Is this your new home? How's your backpack? How's your backpack? Hi. Leo, do you have something to show me? I'm coming. Is it the brand new window? Just a normal day of the boys climbing on the screens to catch bugs. Pretty normal. See, look, he's getting the bug. Where'd it go, baby? Did you get it? What is wrong with you? What are you doing? Hey. Oh, yep, he had it in his mouth. He ate it. You're so weird.
Hey, dipshit. Someone help you? What are you doing?
So I walk into the kitchen to feed them, only to see that they fed themselves. Did you do it? Or did you do it?
The worst part about it, they threw it with a bag away in the trashes and acted defiance.
Aggie, where's Leo? Where's Leo? Hi, Leo. Are you stuck? Are you stuck? Are you fat? He was climbing the screen and then fell and is now stuck. What you doing?
I'm a kitty, never really busy. I love catnip, but it makes me frisky. You know my mood is always tricky, but I'm silly. Yeah, I'm a kitty. Wow.
Oh, what a sweet cat. What an innocent little cat who doesn't do anything wrong. Except for drop the fucking toilet paper in the fucking toilet, you dumb fuck.
No. Get your fucking paws out of here. You're awful. I hate you.
Why are you like this? You're so weird. Can I have this? Augie.
She told me her name was Billie Jean as she caused a scene.
Good girl. Good girl. Don't attack me. Make good choices. No, no, no. Kevin. Hey, stop. Hey, Kevin. Stop. Yo. What are you doing, man?
It was a very good nap. That email, I took a nap. The Zoom call, I took a nap.
Her arms were cut off. Her legs were cut off. Her ears were cut off. Her tongue was cut off. Her nose was cut off.